Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these K-Cup reusable coffee filters were such a great solution for the coffee bar in our home office. It's very easy to use. Just add your coffee, close the lid tightly, and put it in where you would put your K-Cup pod, and brew your coffee just like you would with a K-Cup pod. And because it comes in a pack of 6, if we're making multiple cups of coffee, we just take one out, fill up another one, and put it in. It's been so very convenient. The lid closes nice and tightly. The convenience and the quality of these K-Cup reusable coffee filters has been just what we needed at our coffee bar in our home office. They are so convenient, and that's our point of view.